Alright. Here's what we're going to do today. Or at least going to attempt to. We got all this in here we got to pull out. Let me get a picture of it here. You can see it's all pushed in. This is a separate piece. So we got to pull this whole unit and make this roll back. Sorry about that. So we're going to do this. I'm going to use half of it. I'm going to half my template. I'm going to put it out in steel so that when we pull, we'll pull from this side and see if we can round this back out the way it's supposed to be on the other side. Now, that's where we stand right now. I got to pull this back out, and this here. So, and down in here is pretty screwed up. So we're going to get it stripped down right now and go from there. Alright, I made this to go in there. So we'll give it a shot and see if it works. Alright, that piece I just showed you fits right in behind this slip, so that I'll be able to, I didn't want to just pull on this because it's so weak. This will give it a little more strength so I can pull on the whole thing. So we're going to tighten it up and see what we got here. And then I got another piece that's going in behind here with a hole in it that we can pull from the center. Let me tighten that up. Alright. So now we'll get the other piece and see if it fits in behind it. Alright, this is where we're at. We got everything set up. I got my stuff in behind here, the plate I made. Now we're going to try to pull this whole corner out. I built it so it pulls at an angle. Let's see what happens. It's coming. Alright, for now, tappy, tappy, tappy. Take some of the pressure off here. Now we'll get happy and pull a little more.
Sucker's coming. No, the car.
Yeah, we want it straight.
Yeah.
Just pushing against the tires.
Yeah.
Air in the tires are probably should air them.
That's sliding the whole car.
What can we strap to?
Alright, we've reconnected. See what we got. Okay. You're good.
Didn't even scratch it. Didn't do nothing to it. Did it pull it that time?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
What?
Oh, dude. Yeah, it pulled quite a bit. How's it look? What that look like?
It looks pretty darn.
Well, we'll let some pressure off and see what it does.
See what it does.
I haven't tapped on it either because it pulled this here.
Yeah.
Your leg's coming
Oh
out.
yeah, that was,
The
seems to be staying.
Yeah.
the tail light level looks to be about
Looks
right.
pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does. I mean, all
as
this
far
is
as-
still wrinkled, but
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can work on that now.
that actually, I mean, just eyeball freaking looks level.
Yeah.
Looks planar, parallel.
So that was
whatever
the
it is.
hard part, was getting that. The rest of it we can pull with pins a little bit at a time. We just
Yeah.
keep working it. Yeah, that will pull back.
Because you got this
When we
wrinkle
bring
pulling
this
it
out.
this way.
Yeah, yeah.
When we pull this out, that should bring that back. As you can see where it's
Separated,
And then you got your split that would
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
get it welded back together.
going to be absolutely wonderful.
that pulled pretty good.
I thought it looked pretty good. Like Blake said, it's pretty lined up.
Well, we're going to give it just a hair more, and then I'm going to hit it.
Yeah, once we got the car steel, it moved right on out.
Yeah.
It was moving so imperceptibly, it was squishing the tires. It was just. I've never pulled anything quite that big.
So you try and do it all around the outer edge,
Yeah, yeah. You want to,
just to help move those molecules.
yep, move the molecules and hold them where they're supposed to be. I mean, we got a lot more to go, but this is what we were trying to correct.
Because it was caved
In. So once we get a straight line to work off from, now we got that side over there that's good, and we can work on this. Down, down. All right, let's hold it right there. I'm going to let the pressure off, because the rest is going to be done from out here.
Oh, really?
All right,
Nice.
we got this back out where we want it. Now we're going to pull on this. I was going to take everything out, but we're going to hold off on that just in case. We got to put a little pressure against it. Not much. But we'll see. So we're going to start. Right there. And there. Back. Where'd it go? There it is. Alright, start pulling that. I don't think this is going to help, but we'll give it a shot. Now. Good. A little there. A little bit at a time. Don't be in a hurry. It's coming. Of course, Christmas is too, but we'll come back up to the top. Work our way back down again. I hate it when that happens. But that's a hole we can fix. And that one's stretched just about all it's going to take. I imagine this one will be too.
1 inch.
Yep. They don't take too many poundings and they break. So we'll get side cutters out of my toolbox. Alright. These have taken just about all they're going to take. So,
Keep talking on.
Yeah, just ignore him.
Yeah, he's talking to the.
World at large. Okay, there's 13/16 right there.
so we'll grind them out. Start over. Alright, put some more in it.
He doesn't break anything that need to be broken.
See what we can do.
Wire go. Well, I figure he wouldn't break it on purpose unless it needed to be broken.
Where'd the wire go?
On top of the silver box.
This is high right here, so. 30th. Okay, we're gonna need some right in here.
There. Give me a paper view and use a little bit of that green tape.
For the full bore.
If you needed a different tip. Millimeter.
Oh yeah.
These were, I mean, there's 500 pieces is,
Alright, let's see what kind of damage we can do with that.
$4 or something like that. These put some in the cities and lots of, not using 500.
That brought it out. Get out of that right now. Get these all cut off, cleaned up. This is getting pretty good up here.
It's actually moving right in, yeah.
This is coming pretty good. From here down is where I want it, because that's got to come out.
Where these pins are, got to come almost out flat,
Yeah,
and then this little ridge is the only thing left over.
that's got to come out that far.
Yeah, I know. I see what you're saying. But it's got to almost like fold inside out,
Yeah.
so this one can flatten back out.
Right.
As this comes out, it's got.
Yeah. So,
Dang.
well, what I might do
I've got a.
is,
Well, we've got the map torch, and we've also got the brazen
yeah,
head,
Yeah.
the tip.
we might need to heat that to bring it out. But what I'm thinking about doing is taking a piece of sheet metal, putting it down in, making it curved like this, welding it in here,
4 or 5 places.
put a hole in it, and pull from there out.